Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a collaboration again. This time it's with Mummy Stevens, and we are collaborating on clothes for toddlers. So basically what we've said, we had £30 each, that's including delivery, to buy each other's toddlers. Her little girl Daphne is 2 and my little girl Evie is 18 months old, possibly 19 months by the time this video goes out. And we had £30 to spend on second-hand clothes for them both. We gave each other a bit of a list of the kind of brands that we liked. So for Lissy, she likes for Daphne things like Bowden, Jules, that kind of thing really. So I went for all of that style for her. I hope she likes the things I bought her. And for me, I like small brands that are on Instagram, like Amelia Ray clothing, My Bud and Bear, Made by Moonflower, Katie Ella Creations, Lottie and Lish I love, but also I absolutely adore Little Bird by Jules Oliver, and they sell her brand in Mothercare. So we both hit eBay and we have basically done a mini shop for our toddlers. Okay, let's open the parcel. Let's have a look. I know she's really worried as to if I'll like some bits, but I'm equally as worried that she's going to like the things that I bought for Daphne. I hope she does. Right, I'm not looking. I actually saw this on eBay and I almost bid on it. Look how cute that is. Oh, it's a little denim dress and it's got this gorgeous detailing. Look, and it's brand new. I hope she bought this off eBay second hand and not from the shop, because this would have cost a lot of money. Look at this. Oh, how adorable is this? Little yellow poppers, and look at these pockets. Oh my gosh. Oh, Evie is just going to look gorgeous in this. That is beautiful. I love it. This is the kind of style that I really love. Really retro and kind of out there. I love it. Oh gosh, look at this. Sorry, I'm getting on to the next thing. This is beautiful. Frugi is another one of my favourite brands. So there's a place that we go to in Cornwall and it's called Anne's Cottage, and they do a lot of Frugi stuff in there, so we always buy Evie Frugi item when we're down there. This is gorgeous. I've never seen this before. Look, it's gorgeous romper. How cute is that? Look, can you see the pattern? Little mouse. That is so sweet, and little poppers at the top there. I'll be quiet, Evie's in bed. I've just heard her. There we are. Look at the little cuffs. Oh, when it poppers under, that's fabulous, because sometimes you get with the rompers that they don't popper underneath, and it's so awkward changing the nappies, isn't it, when you're out and about. I tend not to put them on though when I'm out and about, so that is lovely. I love it. Love it. Right, okay, the next thing. Oh my god. This is typical Little Bird. I love this. I love it. Oh, look how adorable is that. Look. Hello. And it's so retro. I just love the retroness of Little Bird. It's so, look, it looked good on me too. Why don't they do adult sizes? That is awesome. I love that. And it's long sleeved as well, so she can wear it in the winter. And that will look really nice actually under the denim dress as well. I love it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Right, what else have we got here? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Is this another Frugi? Yes. You can just tell when it's Frugi and when it's not. Oh my gosh. Oh, love it. Oh look. Oh, it's got a little ladybird. That is so cute. Look. This is these all for 30 quid. I mean, these are, what have I done so far? I've done 4 items. It's 30 quid. It's so much better than buying brand new, really, buying second hand, because you get so much more for your money, don't you? I love that, Lissy. Thank you. That's beautiful. I love it. Oh, I love it. There's actually more in here. Oh, blimey. Gosh, there's more. Quite a bit. Oh. Oh. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, I love it. This little... Oh, I love it, I love it. It made me cry. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put this on there for Christmas Day. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, Lissy. It makes me want to cry. It's gorgeous. Oh, look. Oh my god. Oh, look at that collar. Oh, look, can you see? How cute is that? Oh my god, she's going to look adorable in that. That is definitely a Christmas Day dress. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, she is going to look absolutely gorgeous in this. It's beautiful. Look at the zip as well. It's a hidden zip. It's so well made. Oh, look. And it doesn't even look second-hand. The quality of it is so good. That's the thing with kids' clothes. They, you know, they grow out of them so quickly that when you buy second-hand, sometimes they've hardly been worn. That is beautiful. I think she's going to live in this, to be perfectly honest with you. I love it. That is gorgeous. That's definitely her Christmas Day dress. Definitely. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are awesome. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh, look. Yeah, but look. Look, look. The little dungarees. Look. How cute. Little cherries and rainbows. And look at this. Look. And you've got the little bird pocket there. Oh, look. Oh my god, she's going to look adorable. And that, actually, that top, that little bird top will go really well with these. Oh my god, I love them. I love them. Thank you, Lissy. Absolutely amazing. Oh, you are a superstar. Tell you what, you can shop for Evie any day. Oh my gosh, there's more. I think this is the last one though. This is the last one. Ooh, this is... Oh, now this is lovely. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, now this will go with that denim dress, actually. Oh my gosh, this Little Bird again. Look at this. Can you see that? Let me get out of the way. Oh, look at how pretty that collar is. Look, and it's a little blouse. It's got the long sleeves. Oh my gosh, she's going to look adorable in this. Oh, Lissy, you've excelled yourself. You really, really have. Oh my gosh, this is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Look at this little neckline. Oh, this collar is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And I love this panel down the front as well. Can you see that? It's got ruffles either side. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so, so much. Right, I'm going to do a shot of each of them now for you. Thank you, Lissy. I absolutely love these, and Evie is going to look absolutely amazing in these outfits. I can't believe it. Beautiful. So my taste. So my taste. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Right, so here's a little montage of what Lissy bought for Evie.